Hello students, today we are starting triangles and its properties. Before starting this chapter, we should know about some basics. How we are reaching to triangle. In previous classes, we learned about lines and angles. See here, first this is the point. This is the point. If I extend the point, I am going to get line. If I extend the point, I am going to get line. We studied about lines. Lines will be three types. Okay, line segment, ray, straight line. Okay, see, if I arrange two lines in proper manner, they are going to form angle. We studied about angles also. Okay, how we are going to make triangle? If I take three line segments, if I arrange them properly, if I make closed figure, triangle going to form. Okay, see here, this is the triangle. Triangle is a closed figure made with three line segments. Line segment AB, BC, AC. And this triangle has three angles, angle A, angle B, angle C. And three vertices. These three called vertices. Three vertices and three sides, AB, BC, AC. Triangle is a closed figure made with three line segment. It has three vertices, three angles and three sides. Okay, then based on sides and angles, we will divide triangle into different types. Based on sides, we will divide three types. One is scalene triangle. Isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. Now you have to know what is meant by scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means in a triangle, all sides are not equal. All three sides are not equal. See here, this side I am representing with one line, this side I am representing with two lines, this side I am representing with three lines, means all sides are not equal. What is meant by isosceles triangle? Two sides will be equal. Means we will call these two sides are legs. These two sides are equal. Third side will be not equal. I am representing these two sides with one line, means these two sides are equal. This side is not equal. What is meant by equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means all three sides equal. That's why I am representing all three sides with one line. Okay, scalene triangle means all three sides are not equal. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. Base is not equal. Equilateral triangle means all three sides are equal. Okay, now based on angles, again there will be three types of triangles. One is acute angle triangle. Acute angle means what? In lines and angle we studied. Angle should be less than 90 degree. Acute angle triangle means all three angles, listen here, terminology, all three angles less than 90 degree. No angle should exceed 90. All three angles should be less than 90 degree. Then it is called acute angle triangle. What is meant by obtuse angle triangle? If one angle exceeds 90 degree, then it is called obtuse angle triangle. What is meant by right angle triangle? Out of three angles, one angle is 90. What is this? What is this symbol? Right angle means 90 degrees here. A, B, C. Out of three angles, one angle is 90 degree means right angle triangle. Okay. Based on angles, there will be three types of triangles. Acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle. Okay. Acute angle triangle means all three sides will be acute, less than 90 degree. Obtuse means one angle will be more than 90 degree. Right angle means one angle will be 90 degree. We should know about median and altitude. What is meant by median? This is vertex, right? Vertex. The triangle having three vertex. Vertex to opposite side midpoint. This is the opposite side, this is the midpoint. If you join vertex and opposite side midpoint, you will get median. Okay, this is the median. Okay, see here, this is the triangle. So triangle having how many medians? 3 medians from this vertex. Okay, from this vertex, opposite side midpoint. This is, for example, this is 4 centimeters. You have to mark at 2 centimeters, and you have to join these two. This is called median. From this vertex midpoint, you join these two. This is median. From this vertex to opposite side midpoint, median. Okay, how many medians? 3 medians. Okay, 3 medians. Triangle having 3 medians. Okay, intersection of medians is called centroid. What? Centroid. Okay, vertex to opposite side midpoint is called median. Triangle having 3 medians. Next, what is meant by altitude? Altitude means height. What is the height of this triangle? What is the height of this triangle? See, height means from, see here, see the definition, joining the vertex and the perpendicular to the opposite side. This is the perpendicular symbol. For example, from this vertex to opposite side, perpendicular we have to draw. 90 degree. This is called height. This is called height. Okay. See, here many students having question that, sir, what is the height of this triangle? What is the height of this triangle? See, this is the vertex. This is the vertex. Okay. From here you have to draw perpendicular to opposite side. This is the perpendicular. So this is the height. This is the height. Okay. Don't confuse. For example, one tree is like this. This is the ground. One tree is like this. One tree is like this. What is the height of this tree? How to find height of the tree? See, from top to opposite side, like ground midpoint. Ground we have to draw perpendicular. 90 degree. So this is the height. This is the height. This is not height. Okay, this is the height. So